Hey everyone, I thought I'd let you guys know that I'm going to give this week's project away, and all you have to do to enter is share this video and leave a comment down below and let me know which project of 2021 was your favourite. And then when I release my Christmas Day video, I'm going to announce the winner. So make sure you're subscribed and you got that bell notification on so you don't miss out. Now on with the show. For this week's project, I'm going to work with these coloured resin shavings. Some of you might have already guessed where they're from, but if not, I'll leave you a hint towards the end of the video. I've been wanting to use these shavings for a while now. They look really cool with all the colours on there, and I'm really interested to see how they go when I put them back into resin. Making this blank should be super easy. All I need to do is fill my cup with resin and pop these shavings inside. Once we've done that, we can put it in the pressure pot, and then we can watch pot cam and see if these dance around. I'm going to use art cast for this one. I often get asked to add glitter to my resin. That way when we see it curing on pot cam, we get to see the glitter dance around. So for this one, I've put a little bit in. Well, now that I've poured it into my cup, it's time to add the shavings. It looks like they've gone a little bit transparent. I like it. Okay, let's pop it in the pressure pot. Let's hope we get a nice dance out of that glitter. Normally at this point, you'd see me glue this waste block on the end here so we could turn it on the lathe. But for this one, we're going to do it a little different. I'll be gluing in this threaded insert and turning it using this mandrel. So you guys might be wondering how I come up with this shape. Well, I was in the shower this morning and I was having a think about it, and I thought, you know what? I could make it look like a chess piece. So I've gone with this shape to try and make it look like the Queen. So now that I'm happy with my shape, it feels good in the hand, which is nice. It's time to sand. Now unfortunately this mandrel doesn't fit on my sanding lathe, so I'm going to have to sand on this lathe. So I'm going to put a towel down so I don't wet my bed and get started. Well, now that I've finished sanding, it's time to give it a polish. But just remember, when you're polishing, don't do it too fast, otherwise you'll get friction burn. It's now time for the final piece of the puzzle. So has anyone figured out what it is yet? If not, you're about to find out. But before we do, I just want to remind you that this week's project is going to be a giveaway. And all you have to do to enter is share this video and leave me a comment telling me which project this year was your favourite. And then I'll announce the winner on Christmas Day. And for those guys that were looking for the hint as to why I had the resin shavings, here it is.